You're watching Last Minute Laura. Hey, don't forget to subscribe. Hello friends, and welcome back to another episode of Last Minute Laura. I'm Laura, and today I'm going to continue on Alex's Planet Outer Space embroidery shirt. Today I am going to be following up with one of the suggestions. This one is from Rachel, and she suggested that we do an alien peeking out of the pocket. So next I'm going to do just that. I'm going to draw a cute little alien, and I'm going to have his head peeking out of the pocket here, and he's going to have his hand up in a peace sign on one side, and then his fingers out on the outside of the pocket on the other. Or at least that's the plan. And for this whole outline, I'm using split back stitches, the same stitch I used for the previous planet embroidery. I'm just switching some colors, and I decided I was going to use pink for his eyes, and I'm doing some sort of Roswell alien shape for the eye, and I'm doing that in a pink outline to begin with. Okay, so at this point I was kind of trying to decide how I wanted to fill it in. I was thinking I could do the whole thing in split back stitch, but I thought it would be more fun to try something else. So at this point I'm doing the embroidery stitch called the chain stitch. I used a couple of different colors of green and just sort of filled in the head, not quite in a shadow way, more just kind of how I felt I wanted the colors to go. So I did a couple of different colors of green for the alien's head, and then I did a satin stitch in a light pink for its eyes. Then I filled in the rest with some more chain stitches in a lighter green, and the remainder in kind of a leafy green. I don't know, I just kind of thought it looked kind of fun and planetary. Then I added some sort of reptilian eyes and little horns. I gave him 3 little horns on top of his head. I just thought he'd be kind of cute with the little horns. And then I thought it would be fun if he was either waving at Alex or waving at that other planet. And I started it in a split back stitch and then finished it the same way I did the face with the chain stitch. And here it is. So the little alien, I think he's so cute. I think it looks like he's waving to the planet a little bit. Maybe it looks like he's looking up at Alex. I think he's just a sweet little guy, and it makes it look like Alex has a little alien friend that can live in his pocket. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have an idea of what I should add to Alex's planet shirt next, let me know in the comments down below. I'm going to be continuing on this shirt. It's kind of an embroidery journey. So thank you again so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Hey, and don't forget to like and subscribe, because there's all this extra footage.